Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Houseplants. In today's video, we are setting up my monthly cleaning page for September in my Plum Paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so I have the monthly cleaning page add-on. I have it dispersed behind each month in my Plum Paper vertical columns, and I use the Clean Mama's Guide to a Clean Home system. So I have the little guide here, which I bought the digital copy and then I printed it, scaled down to 7x9 size, took it to Office Depot and had them coil it and trim it down for me, and then I had them laminate the cover for me. So that's the guide we'll be following. I have here all of my daily and weekly tasks from Saya Planning. So we've got wipe the counters, declutter, check floors, make bed, laundry. Those are the daily 5. And then my weeklies are washing sheets and towels, emptying the garbage, dusting, cleaning out the fridge, vacuuming. We've got mopping in here, scrubbing the bathrooms, watering the plants, and scooping the poop. So we've got those set to go. And then I am using some washi and some basic labels here from Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 148. It's called Flower Garden. So I'm using that. And then I did pull a couple of little Erin Condren icons that I like to use kind of up here. I've got a Tombow that I'm going to use and my Erin Condren stencil. So I think that's about all I can describe for you. And let's just start laying this stuff down, friends. So I think I want to do this skinny washi here, and I might have to, oh no, I think this is gonna work. I was like, sometimes the skinny washi is just a little bit too skinny and I have to kind of just white out the top edge, but I think it's okay. Plus the page is green, the header is green underneath, so I think it kind of, you don't really see it. So I'm gonna put this down. Use my little washi cutter here, see if I can get in there without destroying it too bad. Oh, that's cute. And then let's go with, let's try to use this like red one maybe. Let's see if I can get this down straight. I'm going to put this one down here. The green is showing just a little bit under this red because it's just a little bit skinny, but I think it'll be okay. I should have laid the other way though, because I'm really having a hard time against that coil there. And then on the bottom here, let's use this cute little one here. This one's a little bit wider, so I think it'll cover, yeah, it definitely covers a lot better here. I love this floral, it's so cute. I feel like even though it's kind of springy, it's also like a great end of summer kit. And then while I'm here, why don't I go ahead and put down the weeks that we have here. I have these weekly headers here, so I'll just put these down. And then let's see, orange, and then yellow. So we've got that down, and then let's move to this page, and then let's put down, let's do this one on top. I really like this one. We've got 5 weeks here in September. And the focus, I think, what was the monthly focus? I was just looking at it, friends. It's the entryway and the mudroom, so that's not really that challenging for our household. Let's see, let's put this down here. We'll do this green one. This is also a little bit wider, so it covers nicely, as long as I can get it down straight. Okay, so there's that. We really cleaned our house good for August because we had a little party for Emma, so we were definitely motivated. So I'm gonna put this here. And then the last week is here. And then since I've got the monthly focus, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this like this. Let me turn this the other way, because we'll do the rotating tasks here as well as the monthly focus. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a strip of this washi all the way across. Again, I'm up against this coil here. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and put down all of my headers for my daily tasks. So I'm gonna put this right here, centered like that. I really love this page. I think it works really, really well. And I like the Clean Mama routine or system. I was corresponding with one of my planner friends, and she uses the Fly Lady zone cleaning system, which really works for her. This is super crooked. Let me fix this here real quick. I say, hey, whatever works for you, right? I feel like I kind of gave this Fly Lady a chance. Like I was like, I don't know. I don't think I understood how it worked, and the zone thing just kind of didn't work for me. So I'm gonna lay like 1 week down and show you what that looks like, and then I will kind of do the rest because it's just sort of monotonous me doing all of the weeks. So we've got wiping the counters down, decluttering, basically like clearing off your surfaces, right? Like if there's a flat surface, man, it's gonna collect clutter. We check the floors, and for me, in between the vacuuming, because I vacuum on Saturdays, it's basically just sweeping. I feel like I did this backwards. Oh well. It doesn't matter, we'll just get them all down. I feel like I do make the bed first usually. Okay, and then what I do is I pulled this, and instead of doing the boxes colored in, I think I am going to line this up, and I am gonna do just sort of the outline with the finer tip. So I'm gonna do something like this. Oh, I like that. That looks good, friends. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the rest of these little scripts here, and I think I'm gonna reorganize them because I feel like it's out of order like what I normally do. So this is what: make beds, wipe counters, declutter, and check floors and laundry. You know how I am, friends. Like if I don't have things the same way every time, like it kind of, I'm a little OCD in that regard. So let's go ahead and lay the rest of these down, and then we'll come back. All right, friends, so I laid down all of the scripts and I reordered these so that I wouldn't drive myself crazy all month long. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'll go in and I will draw in the rest of my little check boxes with my purple Tombow. Okay, friends, so I finished putting in all of my little purple check boxes. I'm so glad I did this. I love this purple. I love that it catches that little highlight of color there. And I like the little outlines instead of always filling it in. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna put down all my weekly task headers. So we'll get these down and get this situated, and hopefully I will remember to put things in the right order that I like to do them in. Hi. Let's see. I can't believe it's September already. I keep saying that. Coming into the last quarter of the year, it's kind of nuts. Coming up soon. Okay, so there's that. And then I do, let's see, so sheets and towels are Monday. Emptying the garbage is on Tuesday because our garbage is picked up early Wednesday morning. I don't do anything Wednesday or Thursday, but I dust and empty the fridge on Friday, and then Saturdays I vacuum and mop, and then on Sundays I do the bathrooms, I water the plants, and I scoop Otis's poop. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take my black pen, and I'm just going to put the day of the week, just like this. Okay, so all those are written in, and then let's go ahead and I will lay down one of these weeks, and then I'll go ahead and do all of the rest of them. So like I said, Monday is sheets, oops, and towels, and then emptying all of the garbage on Tuesday, and then we roll the cans down to the curb as well, and then doing the dusting on Friday. And emptying the fridge. I like to empty the fridge at the end of the week, and then that way it's ready to go when I do my grocery shopping on the weekend. And then I do the vacuuming. And I always have to mop right after I vacuum. I hate like mopping a floor that hasn't just been freshly vacuumed, just because I feel like there's particles that I don't like just mopping around. So then let's water the plants. My jades are doing really well, so I'm excited for that. And we'll scoop the poop. Okay, and then here I just kind of put a little and sign between the ones where I do more than one thing. Okay, so that's what the weekly tasks look like. So let me go ahead and I will put the rest of these in and we'll come back. Alrighty friends, so I have all of my weekly tasks down. Here's the last half of the month, and then here we are back at the beginning. So again, Mondays are sheets and towels, Tuesdays empty the garbage, Friday is dust and empty the fridge, Saturday is vacuum and mop, and then Sunday is bathrooms, water the plants, and scoop the poop. So there we go. That is how the month is shaping up. So I'm going to pull the book now because we haven't even looked at this yet. So in the guide, you will see the daily tasks. So make bed, wipe counters, check floors, clutter, and then laundry. So we have that down. And then the weeklies, she does bathrooms first on Mondays, then she dusts, vacuums, washes the floors. Catch-all is her Friday. Saturday is sheets and towels, and then Sunday is just the daily 5. So I mix mine up a little bit different than her just because that's what works for our schedule. And then going to the rotating tasks. So these are the things that rotate through the different months through the year. And if we're looking at September, we have vacuum baseboards, spot clean furniture, family room light fixtures, wash rugs, polish wood furniture, wipe down appliances, clean window treatments, wash fluff pillows and bedding, and then rotate vacuum the mattresses. So I'm going to go ahead and put down this rotating header, and this is from Phoenix Plans, who also has a set of Clean Mama tasks that you can do. So I'm going to put this here, and then I am going to go ahead and I'm going to put this Erin Condren cover under here because I've got so many stickers built up now on this side, and I'm going to go ahead and write these in. I do have a baseboard sticker, which happens every month. I pretty much try to vacuum the baseboards every time I vacuum, so it kind of at least gets hit a little bit there. And then spot cleaning the furniture, I also do kind of each week. I look at it as I'm vacuuming because I vacuum the sofa out. And then family room, so these are the family room lights. So this is something, the light fixtures are something that rotates. So you can see it was living dining room in August, in July it was bathrooms, and then June, bedroom lights, etc. So that's something that definitely rotates. Some of them you have to do once a month, every month, like wash the rugs and the baseboards and that kind of thing. And then she has polished wood furniture. That is also something you do once a month. And I just use like a lemon oil on my furniture once a month when I do that. Wipe down appliances. Clean window treatments. I didn't need that S there. This is why I can't write and talk at the same time. The S needed to be at the end of treatments. Okay. Wash, fluff, pillows and bedding. Which I did just wash all of our bedding. And then rotate vacuum mattresses. Okay. Okay, so those are the rotating, and then let's flip to what the monthly focus is, which we had said was the entryway mudroom. So I have a monthly task sticker. Just stick this up here, and then I am going to put down here, I do want to write entry, and then mudroom. Okay, and it's declutter, so completely empty and clean the entryway, coat closet, bench, etc. Clean and wipe shelves, wash, vacuum the floor and outside entry area, evaluate what is or isn't working, add storage and make sure you have a place to hang guests' coats. Organize and contain, so group like things together. Practice, take it out, put it away. Slipper basket, if you want to make your guests feel especially comfortable and keep shoes at the door, add a basket with socks or slippers for them to slip on upon arrival. We do take our shoes off when we come in the house, but I don't ask my guests to if they don't want to. They're welcome to if that makes them feel more at home, but they don't have to. Garment care kit. Keep a lint roller, sweater shaver, and any garment care items in a basket for any clothing mishaps. Okay, so let's go ahead. I have a declutter sticker I pulled here, so let's go ahead and just stick one of these down. Do that there, and I'm going to do my best to write straight without any lines here, friends. So I just put the main bullet header here. Clean, evaluate, and then organize. I don't have like a really big entryway or a mudroom. Organize and contain. And then practice. Slipper basket. I'm not going to do that. Like I said, I don't really have a big entryway, so there isn't a place to put something like that. And we don't even have room for like a bench where I could hide that under or whatever. Garment care kit. This is something that I have in my bedroom. I don't have it by the front door. Okay, so that's that. And then let's pull these little icons that I had pulled out, and let's put some of these down. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this out here. And then let's put one of these cute little vacuums. I was gonna use like, let's go with like a bright color. Let's do this little like orange one. We'll put that up here. That's cute. And then flipping back to the beginning. Let's see. And let's put, we'll do the same thing. Well, let's do the little yellow because we're right here by the sunflower. And I haven't used any yellow, so we'll put the little water bucket right there. Cool. Alrighty, so I think that's it. I think we're all set for the month with our Clean Mama routine. So there's actually 5 weeks in the month. We've got our daily tasks, we've got our weekly tasks, and then over here, we've got the rest of the month, and then the rotating task and the monthly focus, which is the entryway and the mudroom. Alrighty, friends. Good luck to you on your cleaning this month for September, but I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.